we'll guide you through how to switch accounts in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click web browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Visit the Asana website by entering the web address into the browser and waiting for the homepage to appear. Sign in to one of your existing Asana accounts using the appropriate email address and password. After successfully accessing the account, click your profile photo located in the top right corner of the screen to open the account menu. From the available options, select Add Another Account to begin adding a second account to the same browser session. Enter the email address associated with the other Asana account you want to access. Continue through the sign-in process by entering the required credentials and completing any verification steps if necessary. Once the second account has been added successfully, return to the profile menu by clicking your profile photo again. Open the Account Switcher menu to view the list of all accounts currently signed in within the browser. Review the available accounts and select the account you want to use at that moment. Wait for Asana to switch from the current account to the selected account. Allow the workspace to load completely before interacting with any projects or tasks. Verify that the correct workspace, projects, and account information are displayed on the screen. Confirm that you are viewing the intended account before continuing with your work. Once the account has been switched successfully, continue working within the selected account as needed. You can repeat this process whenever you need to move between different Asana accounts without signing out. The account switcher will maintain access to all signed-in accounts for easier navigation. Make sure the correct account is selected before making changes to projects or tasks. Your account has now been switched successfully and is ready for use within the selected workspace.